This is a trade I took today on SPY using the 15-minute opening range breakout strategy. Right here, this is the SPY chart on the 5-minute time frame. So each one of these candles represents 5 minutes of time. All I did was wait for the first 15 minutes of New York session, which is these first 3 5-minute candles. I then mapped out the high of those candles and the low of those candles, giving us this 15-minute opening range. I then waited for a candle close outside the range on the 5-minute for confirmation to enter a position. We did get this candle close here below the range, but I did not enter a position on puts, even though we got the candle close below the range, because I noticed that we had the same thing that we had yesterday, which is called bullish divergence. And that's when the price action is doing one thing, in this case, making lower lows, and the RSI is the relative strength index, is doing the opposite, in this case, making higher lows. So once I saw that on the candle close out below the range, and I saw the bullish divergence, I did not want to enter this position, because this is an indication that the buyers are going to start stepping in and become more stronger than the sellers. And as you can see, that's exactly what happened. It pushed once we got that bullish divergence. We then got a candle close, a very strong candle close outside the range here. Once we got this candle close outside the range, that was my confirmation to go long, meaning I'll make money when the stock goes up. Once we got the candle close, I waited for a retest of the range, or the 9 EMA, which we got here. I also noticed that on the candle close outside the range, we had the EMA cross, where the 9 EMA crossed above the 21 EMA, which is a bullish indication. So once I saw that we did have that bullish divergence, we got the candle close above the range, we had the 9 EMA cross, then we had the retest back to the 9. That was my confirmation to enter my position on calls. I entered my position on calls. I put my stops below the 9 and 21 EMAs, and I got a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio on this trade. It's a very simple strategy. Anybody can learn it. If you want to learn how to utilize this strategy to replace your 9 to 5, then like, subscribe, follow, and share.